How to fix Roblox not launching. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. There might be a couple of reasons why Roblox is not launching, and in this video we are going to find the solutions to it. The first one is to change the compatibility mode. So for that you want to right click on Roblox and then click on properties. Then you want to select compatibility from here. Check the box that says run this program in compatibility mode for and then select your Windows. After this, you want to check the box that says disable full screen optimization and also check run this program as an administrator. Once you do that, click on the apply button and click on OK. Try to open Roblox now, and if you still face the issue, then head to step 2, which is to get the Roblox app from Microsoft Store. For that, you want to click on the search button and search for Microsoft Store. Once you find it, open the Microsoft Store. Now you simply want to search for Roblox from here. Once you find it, you want to click on the install or the get button. Once you have installed the application, there should be no issue while opening this app. Now for the third solution, you want to search for add option here on the search bar and click on add or remove programs. Then from here, you want to search for Roblox. And now click on this and simply click on the uninstall button. Then click on uninstall for confirmation. And once you have uninstalled the app, you want to open up a web browser and search for Roblox download. Then from this website, you simply want to download the Roblox app over here. Once you have reinstalled the Roblox application, there should be no issue while opening this app. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.